miss it. Like, woo! And Josie's gonna fucking miss it.
You have a lighter?
Yeah, Angela does. Can you please?
Come here, look at the fireworks. That's what we're going to do. Right down after the fireworks. Didn't just work all day. Just not have a couple hours. It's okay.
Okay, I'm really gonna stay right here because I'm gonna start saying something.
Why?
Because Lyle just thinks he's the shit. It was like, oh, I can do whatever I want. I didn't have to tell him to tear down. He was like, we were supposed to do that after the fireworks. I'm spending time with my family first. Like, I just want to be like, yeah, well, other people came here with their family too, and they still helped take down. Even their family helped take down. Look at that.
Right?
I just worked my ass off, and I didn't even wrestle.
I know.
Ooh.
Here, no, sit. It's okay.
No, no, no. Oh my God, no.
It's okay. I got you. I got you. Look, look, let go of me. Let go of me. I got you. See? I got you. I got you. Look. Daddy's right here. Ooh, that looks pretty. I got you. It's okay. It's okay.
Where's the cigarette, Angela?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. I got you. It's okay. I'll hold you.
That is so pretty.
Hell yeah.
Do you have a good 4th, babe?
Yeah, now. This is awesome.
Wow.
Oh, that's so tight.
Wait till the grand finale comes.
I think the grand finale's only 12.
Damn, 2 hours of fireworks.
Who said that? No, it's like a half an hour. Yeah. Fireworks aren't that long.
I got you, don't worry. Look, they're pretties. Are you tired?
Are you putting this on Facebook too?
Heck yeah. Especially this one.
What?
The fireworks.
That's what I'm talking about.
Mama's filming. Mama's filming the
Give
fireworks.
that to Edge. Freedom Fair 2012, Tacoma, Washington.
Okay, I got you.
Here it comes. This might be close to the grand finale.
Here, do you want this again?
Yeah. Are you done with it?
Yeah.
Are you done with the Edge?
Yeah.
Look. Ooh. Oh, is that purple? Is that red and green and blue?
Oh yeah, the black guy likes Angela.
Really?
Yeah.
Which black guy?
The black guy. D'Angelo? What's his name? D'Angelo?
Oh, DeMarcus? Really?
Yeah.
That's kind of funny.
He kept telling her, him and, what's the one that's not married to MJ?
Chuck.
Him and Chuck kept fucking with us the whole time we were walking down the strip. Because I was like, I told the black guy, I was like, hey, you did good. And then the Chuck was like, I beat his ass. I beat his ass. Every time they walk by us, I beat his ass. And then they walk by Angela again, and the Chuck was like, he thinks you're gorgeous.
That's funny because DeMarcus is my age.
Is he?
I think so. I'm not 100% on that.
His friend's cute.
Huh?
The Chuck guy, he's cute.
Really?
Yeah, I don't see why he don't have a girlfriend.
He probably does.
He's got like a little baby face.
Yeah.
You're still my favorite wrestler. My cutest wrestler. Well, you're not the cutest wrestler.
I'm prettier than Chris Rysick.
You're not prettier than Kobe Kingston. Just like I'm probably not prettier than, which is the one you like, Madison Rain?
No, it was actually Velvet Sky that you accused me of.
No, that you told me that you thought was hot.
Oh, yeah, Velvet Sky.
Yeah. So I'm sorry I'm not prettier than her.
Hey, you know, I don't want you to be. That bitch is fake to me. She's on TV. It's fake.
Yeah. I'm your real baby.
Yes, you are. Mwah! Mwah!
Where's Frankel go?
He went back.
Did he?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
I think I just got a big shot of the water.
Damn, it's been going on for 7 minutes already.
That's
Did you take anything?
Huh?
Did you take any picture?
Oh, I'm just I'm recording it.
I talked to Mike, then he released $15 for you guys gas money.
Oh, okay.
Here, honey.
Oh.
15.
Thank you.
Better than nothing, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
I know, you guys deserve that.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Only 15. Obviously.
It's better than he normally gets, you know.
I know.
But thank you, cause yeah, we just need it for gas. You guys liking the show?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty.
That's the reason 4th of July.
Yeah.
Fireworks.
Oh yeah. I love
We
it.
got a big moon today. Look at.
I know, it's so pretty. I can see it in the camera too, right there. This is my favorite holiday. I love the fireworks.
Oh, they're pretty. Look at.
Oh yeah.
I thought they were supposed to shoot that one.
I don't know. That one they were just doing.
Everything upside down. What did it happen now?
That over there, I think was a funny car that does that. Yeah.
It was a car that shot fire. That's
Yeah,
cool.
that long car that we walked by. Yeah, that was that was shooting
Oh,
fire.
you're a baby.
Oh yeah, she's asleep.
Is she sleeping? She fell asleep? Oh, at least she fell asleep. She'll be asleep when we get home. Yes.
Yeah, she's going to sleep.
It's been a long day.
Thank you, honey. I gotta. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Really appreciate it. No, that's ours. She paid both of us pretty much. Yeah, you for helping.
Do you know why?
Hmm.
You didn't.
Mm-mm.
She went and told
got you.
She went and told him.
It should.
So there you go. I said it to his wife and it was nice. And we just got an extra $15. And she was like, but now I feel weird. Now what if like that's gonna feel weird going around coach?
Why?
I don't know.
It's not like you were rude about it.
No.
You know what I mean? And you didn't bother him because he was busy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And I wasn't even like really bringing it up to her. She had said something to me about what you said.
Yeah.
So I just, said what we felt. And she even said when she heard that you were making good, she said that's bullshit. He runs a business, he's supposed to pay you. But she said coach is also lose to GW. You can't afford it. She said that they lose more money than they make.
Oh, I know.
Like that's why I wasn't tripping. I said, okay, tripping. Not even worried about money. money, don't pay us until you guys are making money. I feel that.
Yeah.
It's just I thought everybody else was getting
But
paid.
you know what I mean? It's the guys like that that come in from nowhere and
That don't deserve to get the paycheck.
exactly.
It's the ones that put in work, that help take the ring down, that help put it up.
Exactly.
I hope she pays for it. I hope they pay for it.
I think they will.
Because I don't want to say that we, you know, if not, I don't want to split in the 750. We can still get our cigarettes and we still have cigarettes.
That one's the prettiest right there.
Yeah. Oh, here it comes, babe.
That is so awesome. Covering the whole sky like that. That is so
I
awesome.
love you guys.
Love you too, babe.
I got both my besties, my best guy and my best gal. And when we get home, I call the computer.
Okay.
And I'm adding a new guy on Facebook, and I'm letting you know, Josh.
Oh.
I've been trying to find him forever, and he finally, I was like, how do I find you? He was just like, you gotta put in my middle initial. I was like, oh, thanks. I'm so glad I didn't stay with her. I said, I'm so glad I didn't stay with that guy.
Yeah. Do you need me to hold it for you?
You know what our kid's name would have been if I would have had a kid with him?
Huh.
Zebediah or something else. Probably
Completely
Eve.
out in left field.
No, it would have been out the Bible.
Oh.
Because his name is Joshua Zebediah Whiteside. And then his sister, I don't remember his sister's name, but his sister's got a Bible name too. I just miss his mom and dad. His mom and dad were so nice. Oh, that looks so pretty.
Look how they just hang up there.
Here comes, this is the grand finale.
Yeah, you know.
Because the way they're shooting them off.
No, they just did that like 5 minutes ago.
Right?
Well, when they do the grand finale, they'll go bam, 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 bam. All of them. There'll be like 50 of them, dude. Yeah, Molly left us to hang out with some guy. She was like, well, can I hang out with my friend? And I was like, I don't care. You're going to get back to dad? She was like, yeah. I was like, then I don't care. And her friend met up with us, and I looked at him, and I said, you better make sure my sister gets back with my dad or I'm beating you up. He was like, okay. And I asked him, I was like, are you Mexican? He was like, yeah. And I was like, hey, Molly, at least he speaks English.
Right?
I got on the phone with that Ernesto guy because he told her that that she can go ahead and press charges. He's keeping her shoes whether she likes it or not. So I was like, okay. Little does he know, he lives 2 blocks away, like 4 blocks away from Casey. Yeah, I go there almost every day.
Right?
Don't play with me. Cause I'll let the cops know. Call the cops on me. I'll just tell them, hey, he stole my sister's shit, and I came to get it back. So I spent $2 today, I think. Maybe 3. No, I spent 3 because I gave the 4 quarters and then $1 so Cassie can go on the bounce house once, and then I paid for her to go on the bounce house with $1 the second time.
Yeah.
So I only paid $3 today for her to go on bounce house 5 times. That was
Works
cool.
out, yeah.
Well, it's because Jamie Lynn had $20 and all she wanted to save was 10 for sunglasses. So Jamie Lynn paid $4 for rides and then paid another $4 for candy or for
Popsicles?
yeah. Or no, Jamie Lynn paid $8. She paid $8 for rides, cash. Something like that. She paid like $5, and then my dad gave her another $4, so she paid like $9, and then she bought Cassie a pops or ice cream. But that kid melts my heart, Jamie Lynn. She just melts my heart sometimes.
Except when she lost Cassie.
Yeah, dude, but did you see her face? She started crying her eyes out, babe.
Well, I feel it.
She thought I was mad at her, and it was like, Jamie Lynn, it was my fault. I should not have trusted you. Look, watch their shapes, babe. That was a butterfly. Oh, that felt. Almost said it on the camera.
Nice. that big ass cloud of smoke going from the fireworks.
And you're right, if nobody else got paid, I'm not giving them no money. If they didn't have the balls to speak up, that's not my problem.
Exactly.
I said something, but she said it was for gas. But Frankie did it. That's why I was like, do we have to split it with them? I just don't want them to be mad at me.
Maybe this is the grand finale.
Yeah. Yeah, this is probably it. Oh my god. Crazy. Your camera recorded it all?
Yeah. Surprisingly.
Are you gonna show Jamal?
Yeah.
Think he's
Like,
even
this
gonna...
is what you missed, boo.
I know his fireworks are probably already over. He's probably in the house and like...
Sleeping.
Probably since he called me.
It was still daylight when he called you.
They weren't doing nothing but eating dinner and shit.
They weren't even doing fireworks?
I don't think so.
So what's gonna go down with all your fireworks?
I gave him the rig.
Oh, they're just Rick's now?
Yeah.
So he'll shoot them off or he'll just save them?
They probably went somewhere else.
So your mom gave you the 25 and then an extra 10?
No, she gave me 20.
And then an extra 10? 10? And you
I
went...
had 15 when I came to your house because I spent 5.
If you had 30, how can you only have 15?
Well, I mean 25, but 15 made.
Oh, wait, I'm confused. So your mom gave you...
There's the grand finale right there.
So if I say that I think it's funny that Lyle got fired on camera, do you think he'll watch this?
Probably. That is so tight.
Your first year, huh? Here, huh, babe?
In like 10 years, yeah.
Really? I'm kind of glad your mom didn't come.
I think the last time I came down here was 03.
Yeah. I don't want to turn it off in case they're not done.
Yeah, no, I think they're done.
Yeah.
Yep, let's go.